Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Tigray and Amhara region is that according to reports received from the Tigray region, just now the Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have attacked and destroyed the Amhara forces, and at that time war is going on in several places between Amhara forces, its allies and the Tigray Defense Force, and at that time there are a large number of soldiers from the Amhara forces, Ethiopian army and the Amhara militias in western Tigray, while thousands of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present in the surrounding areas of western Tigray. And according to reports received from last 2 days, a large number of Ethiopian army soldiers have also arrived in western Tigray with heavy weapons, and reports are coming that heavy war is going on in many places, while the Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have destroyed Amhara forces at several locations but not told about places and according to their reliable sources. It has been said that heavy war is going on in northern Tigray, and Tigray Defense Force are also seen in the areas of Afar region, but no official notification were received about this. And since yesterday, according to some sources, it is said that the Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering in Velket, and there is also war going on in many places. But due to the lack of communication and power system in the Tigray region, we have not been able to receive any reliable news about this. And now, according to the latest report, it is being said that heavy war between Amhara forces, its allies, and the Tigray Defense Force is still underway at several locations, while Tigray Defense Force side claims Tigray Defense Force soldiers have shackled Amhara forces at several locations. So we are so far the latest update about Ethiopia, Amhara and Tigray. For more latest update, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.